Today we are going to start chapter 11, geometric progression. Before we have learned arithmetic progression. Today I am going to teach you geometric progression. In shortcut we call as GP. Arithmetic progression AP. So the sequence in geometric progression GP are A, AR, AR square, AR cube, so on, AR to the power of n minus 1. The sequence will be in this way. Here the first term T1 is A, second term T2 is equal to AR, T3 will be AR square. Very easy, just one power less you tell. The before in AP how you told? The same manner. Suppose T5, fifth term, that what is meaning of T5? Fifth term of a GP. We are in GP. Means A R to the power of 4, one power less you tell. Suppose here, right? T10, how to write? A R to the power of 9. T25, A R to the power of 24. In that way you have to. Easy. Whatever, whichever term they ask, easily we can say. 15th term of a GP. What is the 15th term of a GP? A R to the power of 40. Just one you reduce and tell that one. Very simple. 100th term of a GP. A R to the power of 99. Okay. Now, the other class I told you. Nth term of a GP. General term of a GP. Last term of a GP. A R to the power of n minus 1. What is the formula? A R to the power of n minus 1. 3. Whatever, whichever they ask here, the formula is same. Next, common ratio. We have learned their common difference. Difference means subtraction. Ratio means A is to B means A by B. In by means we are going to do it. So, T2 by T1. There T2 minus T1. I am comparing both and I am telling you, teaching you. So T2 by T1. What is T2 AR? What is T1 A? A get cancelled, we got R. With one we can't decide whether this is in GP or not. One more we are trying. T3 by T2. The previous term or preceding term by the next. We have to take T3 by T2. T3 means AR square. Here AR. A get cancelled. One R will be cancelled. Clearly I am explaining. What is the meaning of AR square means A into R into R. AR means A into R. A get cancelled, RR get cancelled, one R is left. Or otherwise you can do like this. T10 by T9. T10 means AR to the power of 9. T9 means AR to the power of 8. A get cancelled. You can apply formula. A power M by A power N is equal to A power M minus N. So R to the power of 9 minus 8 is equal to R. So whatever, wherever throughout the sequence we did, same answer came. Common ratio came. Common answer came. So then when we get common ratio, then we can tell the given series is in GP. So this is the introduction of GP. Exercise 11A. Second problem. Show that the progression 625 comma 125 comma 25 comma 5 comma 1 comma 1 by 5 so on is a GP. We have to prove that whether it is in a GP or not. After proving, then write its first term, common ratio, nth term and 10th term. Now the given sequence we are writing solution given 625 comma 125 comma 25 comma 5 comma 1 by 5 so on is a GP they are asking. How to check whether it is in GP or not? The common ratio should be same. Are you able to follow? So their common difference should be same. Then we can tell that is in AP. So if here the common ratio is same, then we will tell it is in GP. Otherwise it is not in GP. Here the first term T1 is equal to A is equal to 625. Next, common ratio R is equal to T2 by T1. You have to learn this formula. So 125 by 625. 125 by 625. 125 ones are 125. 125 5s are 625. So what is the answer? Means 1 by 5. Sir, that much table we don't have. Means take 5 table, no problem. 2 times you have to do, that's all. Anyway, if you do, you'll get the same. 5 table if you take, you'll get the same answer. 25 by 125 come again 5 table 5 5 again you'll get. In the same way, 25, 1 by 5. Take 5 table, no problem. We got R as 1 by 5. Now we are checking for the next R. T3 by T2. T3 by T2. 25 by 125. 25 ones are 25, 25 5s are 125, 1 by 5. Here also if you want, you can take 5 table. Are you able to follow? Next, 1 by 5. With these two we can decide that is in GP. But we are going for the third option also. This is no need, just for your understanding purpose. T4 by T3. T4 by T3. 5 by 25. 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. Why it went for this one means here small numbers you can understand more easily. But you are think that you are in a 9th standard, so you have to be careful in calculating. This calculation is very important. Practice makes you perfect. So 1 by 5. Anywhere you take, suppose if you take 1 by 5, direct answer T5 by T4. Next, T6 by T5. 1 by 5 by 1. By 1 means again the same 1 by 5 only will come. So, everywhere, anywhere if you check, the same ratio should be same. Then only we can tell common ratio. The word common ratio. So, same. Therefore, the given sequence are in GP. Yes, it is in GP. After knowing it is in GP, then what they ask first bit? First term. T1 is equal to A, how much? 625. Common ratio, just now we found, R is equal to 1 by 5. Third bit, nth term of a GP. Formula is Tn is equal to A R to the power of n minus 1. A means we know 625, R means 1 by 5, whole to the power of n minus 1. Find the factors for 625. You will get 5 to the power of 4. 5 goes 125, again 5 goes 25, again 5 goes 5 times. So 5 to the power of 4. In the place of 625, write 5 to the power of 4 into, distribute. It is in the formula of A by B whole power m is equal to A power m by B power m. So 1 to the power of n minus 1 by 5 to the power of n minus 1. 1, how many times we multiply also? Again 1 only. 1 to the power of 0 also 1 only, 1 to the power of 1 also 1 only, 1 to the power of 100 also 1 only. That is the, here you have to follow. So, I am bringing this 5 to the power of 4 to the denominator. Plus becomes minus. A to the power of n is equal to 1 by A to the power of minus n. 1 by 5 to the power of n minus 1. Because here 5 is there, base and same base. So, that's why I brought to the denominator. Now, to simplify, 1 ones are 1 only. It is in the form of A power m into A power n is equal to A power m plus n. A power m into A power n. A power m plus n. For plus no need to put bracket. Minus compulsory. Now 1 by 5 to the power of n you write as it is. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. So what is the nth term of this given sequence is 1 by 5 to the power of n minus 5. Next they ask the fourth bit, 10th term of a GP. 10th term. T10 is equal to A R to the power of 9. Just one power you reduce and tell. Very simple. Easy. Now, A means we know 625 and R we know 1 by 5 we got. So 625 into 1 by 5 whole to the power of 9. 5 to the power of 4. How we wrote 5 to the power of 4? Here it is there. Factors, prime factors. We change 625 into prime factor method. 5 to the power of 4 into distribute a by b whole to the power of m is a to the power of m by b to the power of m. Same formula. So 1 to the power of 9 by 5 to the power of 9. I told you 1 how many times we multiply also 1 only will come. So 5 to the power of 4 meaning is 5 we are going to write 4 times. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. And what is the meaning of 5 to the power of 9 means 5 we are going to write 9 times. 9 times you have to write. Now this 5 how many are there? 4 get cancelled with again with this 4. 1 time. 5 goes in 5 1 time, 5 goes in 5 1 time, 5 goes in 5 1 time, 5 goes in 5 1 time. So 1 1 1 only we got. Numerator 1 is there. Come to denominator 1 by 5 5 is 25. 25 5s. If you don't know here itself 5 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125. 125 5 is 625. Here 1 2 3 4 is there. One more 5 is extra. Multiply with 625 into 5. 3125 will come. So what is the 10th term of this given series is 1 by 3125. Multiply. No problem. Fourth problem. Show that the progression 2 comma 2 root 2 comma 4 comma 4 root 2 so on is a GP. Write its first term, common ratio, nth term, ninth term. Solution given. Sequence you write 2 comma 2 root 2 comma 4 root 2 comma so on is a GP. Here first term T1 is equal to A is equal to 2. Common ratio R is equal to formula T2 by T1. 2 root 2 by 2. 2 goes into 1 time. 1 root 2 is root 2. With 1 we can't confirm. Confirmation we cannot. We can decide. So we are going for the second one. T3 by T2 for confirmation. 4 by 2 root 2. This 2 goes in 4 2 times. So 2 by root 2. Here we got root 2 and here we got 2 by root 2. How to simplify? This is rational number, this is irrational number. So we can write 2 as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Root A into root A is A. A don't ask. See. So I am writing 2 as root 2 into root 2. Now one root 2 get cancelled. And one more root 2 is there. So the same answer we got R. Third one also I am doing. Make you to understand more clearly. T4 by T3. 4 root 2 by 4. 4 root 2 by 4. 4 goes in 4 one time root 2. So wherever you do throughout the sequence, R should be same. Then only we can tell as common ratio. Are you able to follow? Now therefore the given sequence are in GP. Now we came to confirm the given problem is in GP. When it is in GP, the first term T1 A is equal to 2. Second one common ratio is equal to R is equal to root 2. Third bit. Nth term of a GP. Formula Tn is equal to A R to the power of n minus 1. In the place of A, write 2. In the place of R, root 2 whole to the power of n minus 1. Another form of square root is half. Here 2 means 2 to the power of 1 is there. 2 to the power of 1 into 2 to the power of half whole to the power of n minus 1. See the meaning of this problem. Now, a power m whole power n. Here I am writing everything clearly. Square root of a is, another form is a to the power of half. Now, a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn. So 1 n minus 1 is n minus 1 by 2. 2 to the power of 1 into 2 to the power of n minus 1 by 2. A power m into a power n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. These all formulas are included. You have to mention those compulsory. Otherwise, how we'll get? So, 2 to the power of 1 plus n minus 1 by 2. Take LCM. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus n minus 1 by 2. Simplify it. N 2 minus 1 is plus 1. So, 2 to the power of n plus 1 by 2. Now, I am changing. I am writing as 2 to the power of half whole to the power of n plus 1. I took 1 by 2 outside. 1 by 2. Why means? 1 by 2 means we can write square root. Square root 2 whole to the power of n plus 1. This is the answer. Fourth one. 11th term of a GP. By mistake I wrote 9th term in question. That is please correct that one. 11th term of a GP. 9th term is previous problem. Here, so no problem, find 9th term also, nothing will happen. Practice will make you perfect. 11th term of a GP. T11 is equal to A R to the power of 10. Just one subtract in the power. Very simple. Practice. A means 2. Root 2 whole to the power of 10. 2 into another form of square root is half. Another form of cube root is 1 by 3. Another form of fourth root is 1 by 4. So another form of square root is 1 by 2. So 2 into 2 to the power of half whole to the power of 10. A power m whole power n. A power mn. So 2 into 2 to the power of half into 10. Into bracket indicates multiplication. 2 goes in 10 5 times. So 2 to the power of 1 is there here. 2 power 1 into 2 to the power of 5. You can use formula again, this formula. Or you have to multiply, right? 2 into 2 how many times? What is the meaning of 2 to the power of 5? 2 you have to write 5 times. Now multiply. 2 to is 4, 4 to is 8, 8 to is 16, 16 to is 32, 32 to 64. So this is the answer.